Silva official wan rai phi ki khubor laitkam government sui. Meghalaya Medical Drugs and Service Limited Recruitment 2024 notification. And the Meghalaya Medical Drugs and Service Limited Meghalaya invites application for the post of procurement assistant, DEO, and X-ray technician on a contractual basis. The last date for submission of the application is at the 13th of March 2024. And here are the number of posts. Post number 1, post name X-ray technician. Number of post 9, place of posting. East Khasi Hill 2 posts, West Gente Hill 3 posts, West Khasi Hill 2 posts, Ribhoi District 2 posts. Salary as per MMDSL norms. Essential qualification: bachelor's or associate degree in radiologic technology, radiology or a related field. Experience and competencies: 1 or more years of relevant work experience, proven experience working as an X-ray technician, excellent analytical and problem-solving skills. So the post number 2, post name procurement assistant. Number of post 1, place of posting East Khasi Hills. Salary as per MMDSL norms. Essential qualification: bachelor's degree in logistics, supply chain management, and business administration or related field. Here, experience and competencies: at least 2 years of experience, work experience as a purchasing assistant, purchasing officer or similar role. A good understanding of supply chain procedures, hand-on experience with purchasing software, advanced knowledge of MS Office like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, excellent analytical and problem-solving skill, effective written and verbal communication skills, understanding of financial principle and budget management. Number 3, post name DEO or data entry operator. Number post 1, place of posting East Khasi Hills. Salary as per MMDSL norms. Essential qualification: high school diploma, additional computer training or certification will be accepted. Experience and competences: 1 or more years of relevant work experience, experience with MS Office like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and data programs, familiarity and administrative duties, typing speed and accuracy. And how to apply for Meghalaya MMDSL Recruitment 2024 X-ray Technician Assistant and DEO. Qualified and interested candidates can submit their applications electronically through an online form. Link will be given below. Only on or before 4 p.m. on the 13th of March 2024 with soft copies of their biodata, certificates, and job experience. So the applications of the candidates will be screened and intimated in due course. Any future information updates will be made known via appropriate channels. Di parlok tangkitu yamenta kaniga khubor kidon lightly kipos de pinsoba ban persang kawe na pening jungki but ngakarpat ba kinu ki bala pendep ya kakaran ba kaniga MMDSL kalapan ba pinsoba ban late ban apply ya kini kikam khnang ba kijing montoy kande ya pihi ba Wat nom up tang hajaka bapishong. Sngoba bapin ya like, share, and subscribe.